What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Built by Apes. Guess what's getting a new wrap today? That's right, the Civic's gonna get a new wrap. And we're actually rushing this project because Yusman still needs to polish the hood. And for the Itasha, it will still be a one-piece wrap from the Elbaf arc of the manga. And let's see if Yusman can actually finish this in time.
Hey guys, it's me from the future here. We had a blast during Kamifuro 21 weekend, especially hanging out with the Itasha owners out in the parking lot. Our Civic was the only one-piece Elbaf arc Itasha, and the only one featuring a lot of different characters in one design. You might remember our previous one-piece Itasha on the Civic, and so did the people at Kamifuro 21. They loved our new design and asked what's coming next. One of them even asked if we were planning to bring back Tatsumaki and Fubuki. We're not sure yet, but we might in the future, so stay tuned for that. Because Built by Apes will always bring something different. That's it for now. Thank you to everyone who was excited to see our Civic at Kamifuro, and hopefully we'll see you again next time. Peace out. As you can see, we are in a huge rush because Kamifuro 21 is just around the corner. The truth is, we wrapped the Itasha for the E46 and the Civic on the same day. It turned into massive overtime for the crew. Everyone working day and night, doing all the work simultaneously just to get everything ready. This is the Itasha that Lutfi personally created and supervised. All the illustrations are based on One Piece Elbaf arc. And to make this Itasha, he locked himself away for 3 days just to finish this work of art. This Itasha represents our current skill and what our team is capable of. And yes, we already showcased it at Kamifuro 21. Will Oda-sensei notice us? Lutfi and Opal are huge One Piece fans, and that's why this Itasha exists in the first place. When they decided to make it, they wanted something that didn't just look cool, but truly honored the series we love. Well, who knows, maybe one day it'll reach Oda-sensei. Until then, we'll keep creating, and we'll keep pushing for something even better each time.
Both sides of the car actually has the same designs for One Piece Elbaf arc, with a lot of characters. What do you think? Would you put this many characters on your Itasha? Let us know in the comments down below. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye!